Off-grid Rooster here. This is what you call cooperation. All these ants are helping each other to get that bug home for food. I think this is like something else. You have like your little soldiers and watching which way, and it looks like one's telling one where to go and what to do, and then they switch off. They search, but they know they can't handle it by themselves. Let me see how they do this. Look, one steps away, comes back. They must leave a scent, a trail, that they know where to go. Because if this place is big for me, I can only imagine how big it is for these ants. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching. Cooperation, everyone.